2 girls are dead after police say their mother left them in a car for 15 hours. Cops in Texas say teenager Amanda Hawkins left 1-year-old Bryn and 2-year-old Addison in the car while she was visiting a friend's house overnight. They say the girls were left without food or water, and the car's windows were rolled up as temperatures reached 85 degrees outside. But humidity inside the car would have felt like 105 degrees. Investigators say people at the house expressed concern about the girls who were screaming in the car. The 19-year-old allegedly said she was waiting for them to cry themselves to sleep. Authorities say when Hawkins finally pulled the children from the car, they were unconscious, but she bathed and dressed them before eventually bringing them to the hospital. They died after being taken off ventilators.